Okay, we're gonna make one of my favorite lattes. I've got some Verve Sermon. If you know Verve, Sermon's probably their most popular medium blend. It's good. It's good coffee. Slight chocolatey flavor, hazelnut, caramel. You know, the typical medium roast. And we're gonna use between 18.5 to 18.8 grams. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can make everything work out. All right, grind it here. Let's move the camera so you can watch this. All right. Make sure your portafilter's dry, clean. I start the grinder first for consistency. You put the beans in while it's already spinning. All the beans are going to be the same instead of putting them in there when it's not spinning. The first couple beans may grind differently than the rest. That's the theory anyway. And my finger's not in the grinder, it just covers up the slot that's here in the top. This walnut cap was made for this grinder, but it's still a little opening, so you just put your finger here to just prevent any popcorning. It rarely happens, but I just like to prevent it. Do a little fork slap to get any grounds out that may be caught in the funnel. And then we'll do a little WDT. It's just a quick thing all the way around the edge. Then work your way towards the middle, just like that. One quick tap down hard. It's flat. This is a decent tamper. Fits around the edge, so it keeps it level. And you'll see that I actually spin it, push down, and then I push down and spin. That's not necessary, but with a decent tamper, if you have one that's an early version, 1 or 2, the grounds stick to the bottom. So when I spin it the first time, it cleans it off, and then I do it the second time. Then it just prevents a mess. It's not a big deal, but I just don't like a mess. All right. Got it in the decent. We're gonna pull a, let's see, let's do a Damien's LRV2. It's a Londinium lever pull. So we'll do that. And actually, let's pull it in this shot glass here. That way you can see the screen and you can see the shot too. Yeah, that'll work. All right. There we go. So flow, just flowed. Now the flow is going to stop. It's going to sit for a second. Bar's at 3 right now. And up to 9 bar, 8.9. Shot's looking good. And it's gradually falling, 8, 4, 8. There we go. All right. Take that and set it aside. Don't need that anymore. All right, let's steam this. So I have 6 ounces of milk in here. I poured it before we started the video. Just at the base of the spout in this particular jug is 6 ounces. And what we have in there is about a teaspoon of this. It's Ghirardelli's white chocolate. Has a slight orange tinge to it, along with the white chocolate. We all know white chocolate's not really chocolate, but it tastes very good. It really complements the beans, having that slight orange flavor. And then what I also have is this Aztec Mexican chocolate, called Mexican mochas if you're in the northern United States, northwest United States. That's going to give it a little bit of spiciness and a little bit of the dark chocolate flavor. So take that and we'll steam that real quick. There we go. We'll go steam it so I can show you how that's done. And you put the spout, just, aim it towards the back or the side. Actually, it really doesn't matter that much. And put it about 2 millimeters above the milk. See how it goes. It'll start rolling in a second. Those of you with dual boilers, you see how this takes a little bit longer to get going. Steam's just not as powerful and a decent, but it's very, very dry, so it makes excellent lattes. You can see the roll happening now. Bowls are clearing out, it's starting to rise. I can make it rise faster, but I just want it even. Now we're getting close to 140 degrees. Yep, we're good. Keep it warm, clean. All right, don't expect much from art. I can do it a little bit, but it's not really my forte. Milk looks good. There you go. A white chocolate latte with a little bit of Mexican mocha. Tastes amazing. You need to try it. All right, take care.